economic crimes for the swift and speedy trial of corruption and economic crimes. The testimonials of the House of Representatives. Signed. Signed. Honorable Mana B. Johnson.
Mana, why you have been Johnson and that?
Signed. Poinan. Honorable Josiah Malinko. Honorable Raul Flowola. Honorable Eugene J.M. Colley. Honorable Zena A. Nomo. Honorable Luther S. Collins. Honorable Mustafa Borete. Honorable Asa G. Barney. Honorable Clarence B. J. Banks. Honorable Marvin Joe. Honorable Alfred H. Flomo. Wesel Sony Fekar. Honorable Jacob C. Deli. Honorable Nathaniel N. Barry. Honorable J. Funati Kofa.
If you don't sign that paper, you will not be voted.
Honorable Julie Fatoma Ria.
You will not carry for
Honorable
re-election.
Safa Momokoto. Honorable Auguste B. Chewolo. Honorable P. Mike Jure. Honorable Anthony Williams. Honorable Austin Lady Taylor. Honorable P. Roland Cooper. Honorable Ellen A. Atterley. Honorable Emmanuel Yah. Honorable Roy Barry. Honorable Yuki Barry. Honorable Sumo K. Morgan. Honorable Michael M. Thomas. Honorable Priscilla A. Cooper. Honorable Sonia Arab Enders. Honorable Prince A. Toles. Honorable Frank Safogo. Honorable Yeket Koluba. Honorable Jerry K. Yomo. Honorable Ella P. Flomo Jr. Honorable Dixon W. Sibo. Honorable Bernard Blue Benson. Honorable Tarzan Wongwe. Honorable Ellis J. Grant. Honorable Isaac B. Chokwe Wu. Honorable Romeo Thomas Quia. Honorable Samson Q. Ria. Honorable Ellis S. and Honorable Ellis S. Noah. Mr. Speaker, Mr. Deputy Speaker, Honorable ladies and gentlemen, that was a reading of the resolution calling for the establishment of war and economic crimes court in Liberia, signed by about 40 members of the House of Representatives.
Just a matter of note, Chief Clerk, the resolution was sponsored by Honorable Sumo, Honorable Koluba, and co-sponsored by Honorable Deli, Honorable Taylor, and yes, Honorable Debbie and Honorable Taylor. With the reading of the resolution calling for the establishment of war and economic crimes court, what is your will and pleasure? Honorable Bourgeois.
Mr. Speaker, Deputy Speaker, distinguished colleagues, having listened to the reading of the resolution calling for the establishment of wars and economic crimes court, owing to the fact that representing the people of Liberia with the understanding that justice must be dispensed and that the act wherein heinous crimes were committed and people are not allowed to go with impunity are moved under the obtained second. That this resolution, having obtained over 41 signatures, members of this 55th legislature, taking into consideration that on May 24, 2018, similar resolution was endorsed by the 57 votes. I move that this resolution be adopted and forwarded to the Liberian Senate for action.
So second.
It has been moved and seconded that the resolution adopting the War and Economic Crimes Court be adopted and forwarded to the Senate for concurrence. Are you ready to vote? On readiness, okay. On readiness, Honorable Billington.
So folks, if you just joining us, my name is Prince Moba. We are in the chambers of the House of Representatives where the House has signed a resolution to establish the War and Economic Crimes Court. This is focused on Liberia. Thanks for joining. Musa Benede is here.
If the movement can incorporate this comment I'm about to make.
First, Honorable, are you making an amendment to the motion? Motion don't carry comment.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, Honorable.
Okay, proceed.
The document signed by our colleague, First Lady, congratulate the sponsors of this to say that finally the Congress has the courage to seek justice for those that have been hurt, in the last 30 years.
Does the Honorable have an amendment to the motion?
Yes, I will be ready to vote if this motion, it will allow time to peruse this in order to give ourselves the opportunity to ensure that this resolution is in compliance with our previous actions as legislature and that it is in compliance with the laws of the Republic of Liberia. This is a historic resolution, and we must make sure that there are no legal loopholes that will put a damper in the work when it starts. So giving us at least 1 week to review this document so that everything that concerns us can be incorporated into it, and so that the work of previous legislation that has been passed on this issue can also be incorporated. I'll be ready to vote.
To the movement. I believe the Honorable directed the proposed amendment to the movement.
So my distinguished colleague from NIMBA would like to emphasize that the intent of this resolution is not. No, the man here, so let me respond to him. This intent is not targeted at any one individual or anybody. It's not a
I never use that word. He didn't use it.
Also considering that this,
he just said he wanted time because he didn't have time.
The resolution was sent into the 55th chat room, wherein all of us are privy to have read and come to session to have this motion passed.
Already, Mr. Speaker.
It's rejected. Already, Honorable Nika Gay or Truth.
Already, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Speaker, Honorable Deputy Speaker, Distinguished colleagues. I am here to promote the culture of impunity in any way. And we are positive.
Having readiness
You see, Honorable, let me say this. If
for
we
the
start on
resolution.
this on this side, and let's go get into it. Which we want to avoid. Go ahead and
I think I'll give me his budget.
okay, I'll give it to you.
There's an issue of national concern, both of the peace and security of our country.
Agree. Proceed.
So, we are cognizant of the fact that the issue of impunity cannot be promoted by all here. But we want so that we can establish the fact that our previous lawmakers in the 51st legislature signed a bill calling for amnesty all those who took part in the war from 1989 to 1997. And moreover, the issue of the TRC report, people were called to confess, and there is no way.
Order sustained to the motion.
I am saying,
Honorable, if you want to open a debate on this, I think we need to be careful. If you have an amendment, make your amendment to the motion so we can proceed.
so we are going to consult our lawyers so that
Order denied. We have the right to consult the lawyers. Order denied.
Resolution adopted by 41 members of the House to establish a war.
However, I will be very careful.
So thanks for joining.
Given the legal implication of this resolution, if the motion can be amended so that we can send this resolution to the Judiciary Committee for peer review and action.
Honorable Speaker, Honorable Deputy Speaker, and fellow colleagues. Honorable Speaker, as one of the sponsors of this bill, I'll be ready to vote Mr. Green Bassa, Nigerian Certificate, that if there will be any vote to be taken on this matter, should be held by hand count, wherein we will put another Grand Master of business.
Please let me set this straight procedurally. Procedurally, we are only adopting the resolution to send to the Senate for concurrence. The fact that it already has a majority signifies that it is a document of this House. It's a transmittal that we're giving you the opportunity to vote on. And that vote will take by voice vote.
Well taken, Honorable Speaker. So let me just conclude quickly. This issue being a grave issue. As I can see, the Deputy Speaker is very serious about this issue. So we should take the
Order sustained. Order sustained.
Alright, folks, so thanks for joining us. We are still here in the chambers of the Lower House, and that's the House of Representatives at the Capitol Building, Capitol Hill, Monrovia, Liberia, where the House has
Order sustained. Are we ready to vote?
got a resolution.
Are we ready to vote? Already, Honorable Kuhn.
Rachel Kuhn is unready. Rachel Kuhn from the Unity Party is unready on this matter.
Honorable Speaker, Honorable Deputy Speaker, fellow colleagues, our readiness and three amendments. One, are we ready to vote? If they will allow us to go back to our constituents. We have been the system forward and then we're going to go back to our constituents with the massive issue of the Welcome Code establishment. One. Two, are we ready to vote? If we repeal the amnesty law and I'm talking the federal people and refuse to go and on the third one, on the basis of the vote, there's a serious resolution. They cannot be done by year and name. It must be income. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm in there.
I see the speaker when I say my issue of procedural. The speaker should get here to the movement.
An elected member of this house and recognized by the speaker to make the motion for calling for this resolution to be endorsed. The decision is with the movement, and the speaker made no such motion.
Thank you.
No, he made no such motion. So,
thank you.
All your 3 counts that you made, it is understood that by adopting this resolution, it does not necessarily mean that the War Crime Code is established.
Yes.
You, as a representative, will be afforded the opportunity to reach back to your constituents and inform them.
Yes.
Also, if my memory serves me well, you are a sponsor.
Honorable, you need to accept or reject it.
And so, on the first part, I reject. On the second part, I reject.
Yeah.
On the third part,
we took the answer. We took the answer. We put everything together and took the answer.
The house will be in order.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Thank you, Mr. Speaker and Mr. Deputy Speaker and fellow colleague.
Why you choose the government you reject?
Let me first start by commending the effort of our colleague who have brought this to our attention. But my concern has to do with the signing of the resolution, that it does not become just a document that we will all bluff about on the radio. I want to make an amendment to the motion.
Okay.
Thank you. So having said that, I would appreciate, I would be ready to vote if the proponent of the communication, we can open the communication for discussion, and then the proponent bring to the attention other efforts that have been made in previous legislature to inform our decision of this other resolution. Because my understanding is that these resolutions have been signed in the past and there have been no actions. So if we can open this matter for discussion for the proponent to bring this body as to other previous efforts that have been made in this regard, I will be ready to vote.
Honorable Kalpa from Niba, with the consent of our distinguished colleagues by signing this resolution, with over 41 representatives, 100 reject.
And we also got to inform, so we don't have misconception. This is the first time any resolution of such has made it to the floor. Any other document that was signed before was not entertained. Honorable Dan, on readiness.
Yeah.
Honorable Dan has the floor. Honorable Dan has the floor on readiness.
Mr. Speaker, Deputy Speaker, distinguished colleagues. To the movement. Go against the people, look at you. Go against which direction?
Honorable Dan has the floor.
Okay. I am about to speak as a victim of the war in Liberia.
No, Honorable, you have to make that announcement.
It's an amendment. It's an amendment. I'm setting my readiness. Yes, okay. And I need to inform my colleagues that I am a victim of the war. Very good.
What's the amendment?
Right. I'll be ready to vote, Mr. Speaker. Distinguished colleagues. to consider. All of us here campaigned to our people, our employers, before being elected. And there were different clauses and campaign messages that we talk to those people. Are you ready to vote? When we to allow this body, or members of this body, go back to the people, their employers, to consult them. Some of us can be on the basis of consultative leadership. The issue of more transport is important. We recognize that. We want to support it, but we cannot do any isolation of our employers. No, Mr. Speaker.
This is not for the
This is why I ask you to move it.
The House of Representatives a resolution signed for the one members of the House, and the debate is now to pass and Senate for its approval, so that the debate can intensify in the establishment of war and economic crimes code for Liberia. My name is Prince. We are still here. We will be going off in a few minutes.
All those in favor of sending this resolution to the Senate for concurrence, make it known as saying aye. The chair knows. All those opposed say no. Procedurally, the Liberian people will not be devoid of debate and participation in this matter. A resolution by this body is the first step to empower us to begin even appropriation to go consult our people. To begin to even begin. The chair has to flow. The chair has to flow. The resolution has passed and it's going to the Liberian Senate. You can disagree all you want. Justice for the Liberian people has finally arrived.
going against it.
We want justice.
So we are in the queue. Thanks for calling us.
We want justice.
We want justice. In the mix
We
of
want justice.
we're going to see how far this is going to go. Under this regime, just some workers regime. Thanks for calling us. My name is Prince. We will talk to some of them after this session. But this is how we will wind down the curtain on this session of our live broadcast here in the chambers of the House of Representatives. My name is Prince.
Economic code.
So we stay here and we try to see.
Right? They send us here to represent our people. So we have to go and consult with them. We are not here to afford justice for the Liberian people, but we are here to just make them
Economic code. We should reach the people. We are too rich to be poor. Economic code. War crime code.
Folks, so this is how we want the curtain on this session of our live broadcast. Do join us another time for another live broadcast. My name is Prince Moba. This is Focus on Liberia Television. We are still here at the chambers of the House of Representatives, where the body has just passed a resolution signed by over 40 members of the body to establish war and economic crimes court in Liberia. As you may be aware, Focus on Liberia ran a story yesterday where delegation from the U.S. government and also from the Global Justice came here. Global Crime Justice came here to meet with the speaker on yesterday. But it's good to be here. I do join me another time for another live event. My name is Prince. Bye bye. I'm out.